When we enter the IPAC room, is that we shade off our party affiliations and speak as Rivers people. When the time came, as political parties that are from South-South, we all took a decision for the presidential election that we want a Southern president. Yes, we were all witch hunted by certain people, but we stood our ground. And at the end of the day, we were happy that it came out true. And then when we came to our own state, we equally took a decision that the governorship of Rivers State should rotate to another senatorial district and to the riverine of the Rivers Southeast. Your Excellency, we never regretted, just like the secretary of the party has said, we never regretted that decision. And today, Rivers State is calm. And people have confessed that what you saw yesterday, they now have seen that truly we have done well. We have a little souvenir, sir, to present to you by IPAC for what you have done by restoring the glory of Rivers State. Today, nobody can take Rivers State for a ride. And we believe that nobody, especially our new governor, will not lower the bar. We want to sincerely thank you. You are happy now in your home, and we are happy we are receiving you. This reception is at your home because you are at peace with Rivers people. You can match the street of anywhere in Rivers State, and with your shoulders high that you have performed. We want to thank you sincerely, sir. On behalf of IPAC Rivers State, we want to present this little souvenir to you, sir.
Rivers State has become the pride of Nigeria. We are so grateful, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, we sincerely appreciate you because not quite recently, I went for an event, and in the course of introducing me, they said, now I'll join my name with your name, sir. That is the far you have taken Rivers State to. Also, sir, in our appreciation and our thanks, we want to appreciate this for the, you have taken Rivers State from a gold point to a diamond and a crystal point. There is no decision in the polity of Nigeria that Rivers State will be excluded as it used to be before. It's never happened before. And we also want to appreciate you for a smooth transition. In the history of Rivers State from 1999, it has never happened. You achieved it. We will say thank you so much, sir. And also, sir, whenever you are on live TV, sir, it will surprise you that the whole Nigeria is at a standstill. What you want to say. It has never happened. We used to go to the caliphate before to take permission to speak or to contest election or to be governor of Rivers or to be one thing of that. You broke all those traditions. Thank you so much, sir. We are very grateful. Sir, we want to appreciate you for bringing the diversity of Rivers State together. There is never a time the interparty advisory of our political parties have come together in this manner to support a cause that will promote Rivers State. Never a time has it happened. Sir, you made it happen. We are so grateful. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, let me take you back. We, as members of interparty advisory, we took a decision. And our mantra was equity, fairness, justice, and balance. And so we are not apologetical at all to anybody. That decision we took, we were not biased. We stood by that decision. Fairness, equity, and balance. And we don't regret it we don't regret it at all, and we'll never regret it. That's why we'll come to say thank you, because you gave us the platform. You gave us the platform to take Rivers State to this point. We are security is top notch. Almost every facet of we enjoy free transport. Everything. It's your effort. Thank you so much, sir. I can appeal, sir. In the course of this project, it's like a war. We have injured soldiers. Amongst us, there are parties that are chairmen that are suspended. There are parties that are in court already. there are parties that, like me, for me, I'm in court with my candidate as we speak. So we want to make an appeal to you, sir, that we will fight the war. Say before, no victor, no vanquish. Sir, help us, sir, in the cause of redeeming and bringing us to status quo. Thank you so much, sir. Then, sir, on the very serious note, we are like Oliver Twist, sir. We will also, in this application, also appeal to you, sir, that your son, which is the governor of Rivers State today, that we want to make special appeal. Because every gratitude, there is an application for more. That you've done so much for us, for Rivers State, and we as individuals here, representing various political parties, but we want to appeal to you, sir. Please, we plead with you that at this point, sir, as political parties and representing political vehicles, we plead seriously, sir, that you hand us over to your son. The way you accepted us for us to work with you, also hand us over to your son. Thank you so much, sir.
Beauty here to just thank you. Thank you, especially from the bottom of our heart. I want to say a big thank you for the love you have shown to IPAC since he took over the leadership of this state from 1915 to 2023. We know how it's so good before. And secondly, me as a Ikure man, but was born and fed in Ikure land, and all the things we have inherited from our former leaders, you have come to clear our eyes, so that the people have a person that can stand and be bold enough to proclaim his origin, that as a Ikure man, as a river son, that we are not second fiddle to anybody, that we are all equal as Nigerian citizens. That you have let everyone to know that you are for all Rivers people, you are for all Nigerian, but you remain an Ikure man, a proud son of Ikure. And as an Ikure son, I'm 100% loyal and support for what all we have done, what you have taken about our people to develop Ikure land, be it Port Harcourt, be it Obia, or be it any of the LGA. You have the signature contract, signature project, that anywhere you go, you say this is Wike's job. And if anybody look at that job, you will see quality in that job. You will see the time frame. This job is 2 years. Within that 2 years, it's complete and completion. You are leaving your office with no abandoned property, no abandoned project, sorry. As you are leaving, you can go to everywhere and you will see that this is a true river son, this is a true Ikure son that have come to deliver, and you have delivered. And we are very, very happy to associate with you. Also, I want to say thank you, sir. I want to appreciate you, thank you, and congratulate you for a successful tenure. A smooth tenure from 2015 to 2019. It was a smooth stay and development, infrastructure development everywhere. That I want to say thank you. Wonderbeka, Kine Yogozi, Kine Zidoroi, because this is our own, our own. I can beat my chest and say, this is my brother. That one was once a governor and he performed. That nobody anywhere can say, this is Ikure man did not try. This is a leadership. You lead the way, others follows. And that's what you've done for the past 8 years. Before us, and I know you will do more. And we as HIPAC have decided that we will give him the total support he needs to succeed. Thank you very much. Ndaimeka, Kinegozi.
What it showed that, look, parties are vehicles that convey us to our destination. When you get to our destination, you now know what to do. Governance is for the people of the state, for those who reside here, for the indigents of the state. And so when I came on board, you threw away the toga of members of different political parties, but came together to see that there's good governance in the state. And some of us can attest to the fact today that whatever any critic may say, the entire world has seen the level we took Rivers State to. And that has been our ambition, that has been our mission and vision. Let me also sincerely thank you for what you did in the last election by coming out firmly, first of all, in the governorship election, that you support that the governorship should go to another senatorial district, which is Rivers Southeast.
and should preferably be in the riverine area, and which was what we did. And today, I thank God, Semedaya Fubara emerged as the governor of River State. I can assure you, I can beat my chest that the governor will accommodate you, because he was fully involved. He fully knows well of the role of IPAC. So introducing you to him is not a point at all, because he's fully aware. Last night I told him I was receiving you people, and then I have your chairman here who will also lead you to the governor. But be assured that the governor will bring you in and accommodate you in terms of administration of the state. So do not worry. You can sleep with your two eyes closed. Let me also thank you in the presidential election. I tell people that what I stood for and what I continue to stand for is the unity of this country. I will not be a party where arrogance and impunity is the order of the day. I will not accept that. What I'm interested in is for the unity of the country, for Nigeria to continue to be one. And that was one of us who are in PDP stood firm and said, look, the only way we can believe that we're all together is when this part of this country presides over the affairs of the country. It is also good enough for the other part of the country to also preside over the affairs of the country. And today, every Nigerian has come to terms with it. Now look, our country is not the way people think of it. It's a very complicated, complex country. So you cannot say that because you say, oh, the best performer cannot only come from one part of the country. And look at the reception of the president. I have no regrets whatsoever. I have no regrets whatsoever that I took the decision I took, because I want a united Nigeria. I don't want a disintegrated Nigeria. And that is why we wish the president good luck. We believe that God is infinite mercy, who has given him the mantle of leadership, should also give him that wisdom, the strength and health to continue to pilot the affairs of the country. Don't bother about the shenanigans and those who are not serious, fighting themselves about who supported the president to emerge or who supported the president to emerge. You know, I tell people that human beings, some of these people you call human beings are not human beings per se. I don't know why people cannot, in their own conscience, tell themselves the simple truth. I can't understand it. All of us know what happened in this state. But we cannot come and begin to bring ourselves to the public to begin to say, oh, we are the ones who supported, we are the ones who did. The public knows. So why are you going to debate with those who cannot even put posters or whoever they are supporting? So I thank you and I urge you to also, the kind of support you gave me, to also give to the governor. You have seen what he has started doing. The ring road he flagged up yesterday, given to a known firm, Julius Berger, and that road is completed. You will know how River State will be. In my 2019 to 2023, I built 12 flyovers. Now, if you're doing this ring road with 6 flyovers, you are talking about 18 flyovers. Which state in this country, even the federal capital, even Lagos, cannot boast of having up to 21 flyover as River State will have it. So, and then you give him another 4 years, then see what will happen. You will see what you see. Economy cannot grow when there is no infrastructure. The base of economy to grow is that you have provided a basic infrastructure. It is very, very key. It is very, very key. So I have no doubt. I have no doubt of what he will do. And all we do owe him is to give him the support. So continue to pray for him. Do not relent. Don't say because you are not a member of PDP, but also you fought for the PDP to come to office. So you are also entitled to benefit from the efforts you have put in place. So once more, let me thank you and pray that God will keep you together for you to work for the interests of the state, not for the interests of any single individual. Once more, thank you and God bless you.